Hey guys, what's happening? How to win ink game every time. The big question, can you actually win ink every time? Short answer, yes. If you understand the structure of the game, long answer, winning isn't about never making mistakes. It's about managing risk, rhythm, and resources. So the core principles to always winning: A. Learn rhythm over reaction. Every ink game round, red light, tug of war, marbles, jump rope has a rhythm coded into it. Most players fail because they react to visuals. Winners anticipate rhythm. In red light, listen to the sound cues, not just the head turning. In jump rope, follow the whoosh of the rope instead of its animation. In tug of war, pull in consistent rhythm, not panic spam. B. Manage stamina like currency. Ink game isn't about infinite movement. Every dash, jump, and push drains stamina. Winning means treating stamina like gold. Sprint only in bursts. Use dash cancels to avoid big hits instead of constant dodging. Save stamina for the final stretch of each game. C. Master the meta rules. Ink game isn't about just a mini games. It's also about how you interact with NPCs, guards, and hidden systems. Rebelling, ignoring all orders, rejecting rewards, unlocks shortcuts in secret paths. Alliances matter. Teaming up with other rebels can carry you through tug of war or guard rounds. Observation is survival. The game is filled with subtle tells, shadows, sound effects, NPC quirks. Winners watch, losers rush. D. Emotional control. Perhaps the hardest rule: don't panic. Ink game thrives on breaking your nerves, but the players who slow down, breathe, and treat every move like chess are the ones who consistently reach the end. Alright? Example of winning path every time: red light, green light. Don't sprint. Move in short bursts, using pushes strategically. Tug of war, focus on rhythm, not strength. Coordinate with team. Marbles, play safe, bluff when needed, but never gamble all in early. Alright? Jump rope or side games, train rhythm beforehand, use shadows and sound. Final rounds, save stamina, keep calm, and exploit mechanics like dash cancels or kicks. Winning every time doesn't mean perfection, it means stacking small advantages until survival becomes inevitable. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.